Hello, my name is Kayrah. I'm gonna help my chachi for a voiceover. I need 1 kg of sweet potato. Peel off the skin. We need to remove all of the black bits on the sweet potato. Now we're gonna cut them into halves. Put the heat on. Cover up the sweet potato with water. Cook until it's soft. Mash up the sweet potato until it's nice and creamy. Let the potato cool completely. A pinch of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon with milk powder, and mix them well. Add the flour gradually. Give it a good mix. Knead the dough until it's soft. This is exactly how it should be. Form a big ball or divide them into 4. Sprinkle some flour on the top. And roll the dough. Not too thin, not too thick. Just right. Use a cookie cutter to cut your dough. Here we're using fresh coconut. Finely grate them. And 200 grams of sugar. 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Mix it well. Add the filling in the center. Close it up. Pinch the edge. Seal with a fork. Repeat the process. Heat up your pan on medium heat. Add some oil. When the oil is hot, fry your gateau patate. Fry them until it's golden brown. Now we serve them hot. This is the end of our video. I see you next time. Bye.